Hey, hello friends, this is Tom Tom. Just staying in this beautiful apartment right here. And welcome, my friends. I'm gonna take you out for a nature walk down the street. It's just across my apartment where I'm staying at. So, this is the little apartment I'm staying right here in Nairobi's KILIMANI estate. So, I've been out for a long time, but now I'm back again. So this is the place I'm staying in. I just washed some dishes right here, and now I'm gonna take you out. The day is kind of bright today, a lot of sunlight coming out here. So this is my wash area where wash clothes. This is the apartment I'm staying in at the Kaisa Gardens. So guys, let me take you out for a walk. I'm gonna close this place right here. Well, then I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna walk today. So let me grab my keys right here. These are my car keys and my apartment's card right there. Okay, and I'm gonna put off the TV. So guys, let's go. Think I'm gonna wear this jacket. Guess it's gonna be like a chilly morning right now. So I have to put some jacket to keep me warm. So guys, let's go down and walk together. Just gonna have some nature walk. I'm gonna switch off that light. Close the door. So okay guys, let me close the door. Then we move down. There we go. So I'm gonna tap this to the ground floor. So it's at 12 right here. I'm on the 11th floor. Oh. Almost. Oh, you wanna pass? So this is the 6th floor. Okay. Have a good day. Yeah. Just arrived at my I arrived at the downstairs, the ground floor. Gonna have to take my sunglasses from the car. So this is my small car right there. Gonna have to get my sunglasses over there. It's gonna be like a sunny day, so I'm gonna wear these sunglasses right there. So these are the beautiful apartments right there, as you can see, the Kaisa Gardens. So that's the place I'm staying at, and I'm gonna have a nature walk down this street. It's a green place with a lot of trees, as you can see, a lot of trees right there. This is Tom Tom. So many beautiful apartments around here. A lot of cars passing by, so I'm gonna cross over to the other side of the road. So the lights are already green, so I have to wait for a moment. Just see the many trees planted right there. This is the Nairobi Arboretum right there across. A nice place to get in and have some fresh air under the shades of those trees when it's like hot sunny day. Gonna have to cross over to the other side right there. There's a walking place right there for pedestrians. So I'm gonna cross real quick. It's a nature walk. Cross the road. KILIMANI Estate. As you can see, there's a river down there. Yes, going all the way to a place we call Athi River. I think the water comes from upstream where it's been raining. I guess over the past few days it's been raining a lot, so that is the river down there. Whoa. just cut down some trees right there, or perhaps they fell during the rains. Right there, as you can see, there's a fallen tree. They're beautiful places. Field. And there's a school right there. Across the road is a school. Nature walk. Construction going on. Wanna put up some tall building right there. walking today, having a nature walk. Just reached the city center. I think there are some bats over there. Up the tree. Bats. Hey guys, just arrived back home right now, so I'm just gonna put my cord right here. It's been a nice walk all through the Kilimani. Let me switch on the lights. It's kind of dark in here. Back home. Whoa, it's been a long day, but was a good day though, walking around at the Nairobi Abortarium. Nice to be back home again, and I thank you so much for being with me during the walk. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna end it there. See you in the next video. Kindly keep on watching my videos. Thank you so much.